Mercedes S-Class modified by Mansory. As you can see, the whole hood of the car is carbon fiber. This is all gloss black. Again, some gloss black parts here, and then the rest of it is carbon fiber. Again, this carbon fiber is actually a bit different pattern than these two cars before. Here is a Mansory logo right here, and again another carbon fiber Mansory logo right there. Look at these insane wheels, gloss black, beautiful blue calipers, and really like these spokes go between the spokes, including the Mansory logo right there. Alright, if you move here again, carbon fiber with Mansory, carbon fiber skirts, and the car is completely blacked out. If you look into the interior is completely another story. Extremely beautiful and luxurious. White leather with blue details matching the calipers on the car, and the carbon fiber absolutely everywhere. Black Alcantara stitching, black Alcantara headliner, black details all around the car, including this very cool carbon fiber spoiler, and then again another carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber line right here, carbon fiber signature edition badge right here, and then also a carbon fiber diffuser with two Mansory exhaust clips with nice logo right here.